Last few moments before the off. All set. There is the bell. The runners for this fifth race, Heat 15 of the BoyleSports Derby. 1 Forest West, 2 Green Isle Hades, 3 Nitro Notorious, 4 Dunsala Mike, 5 Pudgie Budgie, 6 Chesperito. Here up behind Traps. Racing, good start by 5 Pudgie Budgie, took a flyer, leads to the opening turn. 3 Nitro Notorious going up as inner, also improving as 2 Green Isle Ladies, but 5 Pudgie Budgie takes a wallop, but he gets around in front and he opens up by 4 lengths. 2 in second, 3 Nitro Notorious, then comes 6 Chesperito, but 5 Pudgie Budgie, a stout stayer, leads turning for home. 3 Nitro Notorious in second, Chesperito back in third, but forget about catching this lad in front. Pudgie Budgie, an easy winner. Second is 3 Nitro Notorious. 4 Dunsala Mike ran on strongly to grab third. The winning time 29.73. A good run by Pudgie Budgie.